If you've ever left the house and wondered, did I lock the door? Or had that uneasy feeling when you're out of town, you're not alone. A good home security system doesn't just protect your space, it gives you real peace of mind 24/7. In this video, we're breaking down the top home security systems available right now. Whether you're living in an apartment, a house, or just want something simple and effective without the hassle. We've included options for all kinds of setups: wired and wireless, smart home friendly, easy DIY installs, and more. These aren't ranked in any particular order, so stick around to find the one that fits your home and your lifestyle best. And yep, best prices and updated links are all in the description below. Let's dive in. First up is the Ring Alarm Pro. This lists choice for the home security system that's best for most people. If you're most people, you're going to love this one. The Ring Alarm Pro takes the idea of DIY home security to the next level, combining powerful features with convenience in a way that feels modern and future-proof. It's not just a home security system, it's also a Wi-Fi 6 router, making it one of the most versatile solutions on the market today. First, let's talk about what you get. The 8-piece system includes a base station, door and window sensors, a motion detector, a Z-Wave range extender, a keypad, and a siren. The base station doubles as an Eero Wi-Fi 6 router, giving you both solid internet coverage and a reliable security hub in one device. That's already a huge win for smaller households or anyone looking to simplify their tech setup. And it makes it better in terms of Wi-Fi connectivity than some of its competitors, such as the Tolviviov security system. What sets the Ring Alarm Pro apart are its standout features. Built-in Wi-Fi backup is a game changer. If your internet goes down, the system switches to cellular data so you can stay connected. It's perfect for emergencies where every second matters. In addition, Alexa Guard Plus integration adds another layer of protection by detecting sounds like glass breaking and even simulating a barking dog to deter intruders. Performance is where this system really shines. The sensors are responsive and work well, even in challenging setups like doors with unique molding or areas far from the base station. The setup process is smooth, and the companion apps, Ring, Eero, and Alexa, are intuitive. Ring has also addressed privacy concerns with Edge, its local video storage feature. It offers end-to-end encryption and local processing options for those worried about cloud-based systems. For $20 a month, the Ring Protect Pro plan unlocks professional monitoring, backup internet, and enhanced network security. While not the cheapest subscription out there, the added value justifies the cost. Overall, the Ring Alarm Pro combines security, connectivity, and convenience into a single powerhouse system that's tough to beat. Next up is the Wyze Home Security Core Kit. The Wyze Home Security Core Kit is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to secure your home. With its unbelievably low price tag and straightforward design, Wyze has set a new standard for budget-friendly home security systems. The Core Kit comes with a hub that doubles as a siren, 3-door window sensors, a motion detector, and a keypad. The setup is quick and painless, and everything runs on standard AA and AAA batteries that last up to 18 months. That's already an impressive deal compared to pricier alternatives like Ring or SimpliSafe. Where Wyze really shines is affordability. Its professional monitoring plan costs only $10 per month, significantly less than competitors. On top of that, Wyze keeps things flexible. You can expand your system with add-ons like motion detectors for $9 or additional door window sensors for just $8 each. Despite the low price, the system performs remarkably well. The motion sensor is accurate without being overly sensitive, and the door window sensors reliably detect activity. The companion app is user-friendly, making it easy to monitor your home or add new devices. Plus, Wyze integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant, Alexa, and IFTTT, giving you options to connect with other smart devices like lights or locks. Wyze has taken major steps in recent years to strengthen its security protocols. Like many companies in the tech space, they faced some challenges in the past, but they've responded decisively, introducing stronger encryption, multi-factor authentication, and continuous security updates. In fact, there have been no reported breaches over the last year, showing real progress in keeping users' data protected. Overall, the Wyze Home Security Core Kit delivers big on value. If you're looking for reliable protection at an unbeatable price, this system's hard to ignore. It's not the most feature-packed option out there, but for the budget-conscious, it punches well above its weight. Now, for the Arlo Ultra 2, this lists best camera-based security system. If a camera's all you need, a camera's what you'll get. If a camera's not enough, get it anyway and add it to another security system. The The more the merrier. The Arlo Ultra 2 takes home security to a premium level with advanced features, 4K video recording, and smart tech that delivers an unparalleled surveillance experience. If high-resolution, powerful AI, and robust design are what you're after, the Ultra 2 is a standout option. Let's start with the design. These cameras sport a slick, weatherproof build, making them ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Their compact size and flexible mounting options, including magnetic and screw mounts, make installation simple and versatile. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months, and swapping batteries means no downtime during recharges, a thoughtful touch for continuous coverage. Performance is where the Ultra 2 truly shines. Its 4K HDR video delivers incredibly sharp, detailed footage with vibrant colors, even at night. Thanks to the integrated spotlight, night vision is in full color, rather than the usual black and white. The 12x zoom ensures small important details, from license plates to even the tiniest scratches on those plates. With a 180-degree field of view that avoids the fisheye distortion found in some cameras, you get wide, natural-looking coverage. The Ultra 2's AI features are next level. The system can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, reducing false alerts and keeping you informed about relevant activity. You can also set motion zones to further refine what triggers notifications. Automatic zoom and subject tracking keep the action in focus, ensuring you don't miss critical details. The system relies on a smart hub, which not only ensures a secure connection, but also enables local storage. While local footage isn't accessible through the app just yet, Arlo has announced a fix is on the way. For those who want more advanced features like object detection, cloud storage is available through an Arlo Smart subscription. Yes, the Ultra 2 is pricey for the 2-camera system, but for premium security with advanced features and stunning video quality, it's a worthy investment for serious home protection. Next up, the Tolviviov. This lists best security system for the money. It also comes with its own app, simply called the Tolviviov app. The Tolviviov 10-piece alarm system proves that effective home security doesn't need to come with a hefty price tag or complex installation. Designed for simplicity, versatility, and ease of use, this system is a game-changer for anyone looking to protect their home without committing to monthly fees or professional setup costs. Let's start with the hardware. The kit includes 10 door and window sensors, a motion detector, a keypad, 2 remotes, and a Wi-Fi connected base station. The sensors are compact yet effective, providing reliable coverage for your doors, windows, and other key entry points. Installation's a breeze. No technical expertise or tools required. In less than an hour, you'll have a fully functional alarm system up and running, with no tangled wires or complicated setups. What makes this system stand out is its app integration. Once installed, the Tolviviov app gives you complete control over your home's security from anywhere. Receive real-time alerts, arm or disarm the system, and customize settings with ease. Whether you're running errands or lounging on a tropical beach, the peace of mind is always in your pocket. Plus, for those who love smart home setups, the Tolviviov system works seamlessly with Alexa, letting you arm your alarm with a simple voice command. The system also packs a punch when it comes to deterrence. Its 120 decibel siren is loud enough to send any potential intruder running, and will probably wake all the neighbors, including pets. And with support for up to 20 additional sensors, it's easy to expand as your home security needs to grow. Perhaps the best part? No monthly fees. You get robust, customizable security with no hidden costs, a rarity in the home security world. For those seeking affordable, reliable protection with DIY convenience, the Tolviviov 10-piece alarm system is a top contender. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. It's security made smart. Last but not least, we've got the SimpliSafe. This lists best overall security system. The SimpliSafe 12-piece system is the ultimate blend of flexibility, simplicity, and powerful security, all without breaking the bank or tying you into a long-term contract. Whether you're securing a sprawling home or a cozy apartment, this system is tailored to fit your needs and delivers an impressive home security experience. Starting with the hardware, the 12-piece package is packed with essentials: a base station, keypad, motion detectors, door and window sensors, and even environmental sensors for smoke, carbon monoxide, and water leaks. The base station is stylish and modern, with a glowing ring that keeps you informed of your system's status. And the setup? It's a breeze. You don't need tools, drilling, or tech skills. Peel and stick installation means you can go from unboxing to fully secured in under an hour. What truly sets SimpliSafe apart is its flexibility. You can use it as a standalone local alarm system or opt for one of their professional monitoring plans. The Fast Protect plan takes security to the next level, with features like live video verification and immediate police or fire response. For $30 a month, it's a value-packed option. And if you don't want monthly fees, no problem, SimpliSafe works perfectly as a local alarm. The system is easy to control via the app, where you can monitor alerts, adjust settings, and even create custom pins for family or guests. Integration with Alexa and Google Assistant adds even more convenience, letting you arm your system with simple voice commands. Performance-wise, SimpliSafe delivers. Motion sensors are reliable, the 105 decibel siren is plenty loud, and the battery backup ensures security even during power outages. Plus, you can expand the system to include up to 100 sensors for ultimate coverage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for reliable, no-fuss security, SimpliSafe's 12-piece system hits all the right notes. It's affordable, powerful, and puts you in control. For home security done right, SimpliSafe is a standout. All right, that's the list. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like. It really does help the channel. And if you're considering one of these systems for your home, all the links are down in the description so you can check out the best deals and options. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one.